So today we will have to see one of the famous interview which I was faced in like Synchrony. We are like in product-based companies, Synchrony, for ALP technology, and for. So these three companies I have faced this question. So the like this is one of the famous interview question like mostly you will face in one of the in product-based company. The approach is very simple. Like what they have given input like how are you. So what we have to do like output you are how. So basically we need to reverse the words of a string. What I have done, like I have taken the how are you same way. So to understand this approach, the simple thing is like you need to think in real time how we can did we use this approach or not. So thing is what I have done. Consider like you have an Apple box. Like in Apple box we have sections. So in that section like it is Apple box are arranged in like ABC. Apple A is arranged. Apple B, Apple C. So in boxes it is arranged. So your mom says like you have a requirement. Your mom says like when you open the Apple box, she wants the Apple C to be first, then Apple B, then Apple A. So what we will do? This is the opening of the box. So what we will pull Apple A first, then Apple B, then Apple C. So if you arrange in this way, then when she opens that box, she will find that Apple C is first, then Apple B and Apple A. So so you have fulfilled a requirement. So same way here, here approach is like consider this how is one apple, R is one apple, and U is one apple, Apple A, Apple B, Apple C. So what we will do in the string logic, what how we will write the logic like first we will iterate this string like first we will iterate this string, we will extract one character, and in one character we will check if it is not equal to space. If it is not equals to space, we will arrange in a word in one string. Like first I will take H, then OW, the word. If this condition fails, like if it is equal to space, we are storing in a what like reverse, like word is equal to word plus reverse we will store. So we will arrange like finally. So what we will do if it is find the is condition is failed, then word plus reverse we will store. So so it is similarly like first we are arranging ABC. Like it will see like first we will arrange A, then B, then C. So same way we are arranging. First we are arranging A, then B, then C. So I will explain the logic way how we can achieve this one. It is very simple approach. Like I have taken one string and I have added one space, because why I have added space? The thing is we are doing comparison, like we are using condition based on the space. If it is condition matches, then we are doing the some performing some logic. So we will take for loop. Iterate the string. First we need to get the character. So we got the character here. We will check HOW is not equal to space. CH not equals to space. Then what we are doing, we are taking one another string, helper string. So what we are doing here, we are adding the string. So one string we are adding, like first how is there. So H we are taking, it is not equal to space, we are adding O, then W, same way. Then R, U, same way we are doing. Else, so what we have to do in else part? In else part, what we are doing here, we are taking another string, reverse. You will get to know like when I do debug, you will get to know. So like first what I have done, H I have taken. So H is not is not equal to space, right? Then it will store H here, then O, then W. Then now what contains? Now the word contain how. Second time, then if we find the space, this condition fails. if this condition fails, so what we will do, if this condition fails, it will go to here. So here reverse is equal to what content how, right? So now reverse value is how. Second time, uh, second time it will go to R. Same condition happen. R we will store 1 1 if it is not equal to condition. Now the reverse will be is like what is already how, then reverse is R. So now reverse contain how R. Third time it will do same condition if it is not equal to, so we are adding one by one words characters. Then if condition fails, what? No, the reverse contain how R plus double quotes you. So finally our string kana how are you. So just I will run this one. You can see you are how. You are able to print you are how. So that is the output we want to achieve. So I will just debug the code. I will explain you like how the flow is going on. You will get to know like how the flow is going on. So now initially you can see, now we have the character. You see F6, then you can see our index is 0. So it will not stack anything. 0, it will stack H. Now you can see H is there. Now character contain H, which will check the condition. It is not equal to, yes, it is not equal to space. Then you can see the character H is there, H is stored. Then same condition it will go. Now once again it will come. Now you can see it is O. Now finally W. Now you can see what contain, one contain how. Now the condition will fail. You go, condition will fail. Definitely it will fail. Now it come to reverse. Reverse contain nothing now. See what? Now how? If you go to another condition, same, it will take A. Now it is contain A. Condition matches. It will store in the word. Same it will store R also. Now you can see the word contain ARE. Now the condition will matches because if you see here, it will go to this space, this space. So this space, obviously condition doesn't match. Character I, the character C, E is there. Sorry. You can see how are you? How are you? And same way, F6. Same will it will stack U. Notice Y or nothing is there. So it is not equal to space. Yeah, it is condition doesn't match. And it will go here. If you see word contain U and reverse RE. So if you hope you guys got the idea like how to write the logic and how we can debug the code. So in this way you will be able to get to know how the flow is going on. So just share to your colleagues. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, Java Bytes here. So today I will like to explain one of the famous interview question which I was faced in Synchrony, Cloud ALP technology, Capgemini, Info, and many product-based companies. So the requirement is like what he will give, like he will give an input, how are you, and we need to produce the output, go array you. It is like reversing every word. Like when we found the space here, when we found the space, like we need to reverse like WOH and ERA and YOU. So the approach is very simple. Like in previous video, I have done one same program like this. The approach we are using, same approach we are using for this one also. What we will do here, we will take two variables. So what we will do, based on the space, we will add the string. Like if we find the space, here space is there, here space is there, here space is there. So based on the space, we will add the string. So approach is very simple. Like what we will do, we will extract one character. So we already know like how we can extract the character. I will take one string, for example, string word. I will take this, and another string I will take like final string result. Final result string will take. So what I will do, I will extract one word. So we all know s dot char at I. We will use this one. So we will get a first H O W. If we find, we will check one condition like if character dot equals to space, then we will add this into this word, right? We will add HOW to this word. But if we find this space, then we will add this word, whatever word is there, this word to this result string. So it is based on the space. Like if we find the space, then we will add this H, then ARE, then OU. But what we will do, we will just store H. After that H, first we will store H, then we will store O, then W. So one character we will extract so that we can store one by one thing. Then if we find the space, then we will store it final result string. So I will show you in practical way. You will get to know how I am doing. After then I will do debugging and also show you like how we can achieve this. One look we will take. Wait, is equal to 0. A less than is dot length I plus plus. Right? If first we need to extract the character here. Ch is equal to ch s dot char at I. So what I am doing here, I am extracting every character. H I am extracting W. So why? Because we are checking if it is not equal to space, then we are adding in a one string. So I will show you like what we will do. If character not equals to space, what we are doing, we are adding word is equal to character plus word. So if you see this logic, what it will do, this logic, like it will go here and I will check H. H is not equal to space, right? So what it will do, it will add H. So first way, what it will contain, word is equal to, we have H plus word is empty, normal empty is there. Then in second iteration O will be extract, right? So what we have, word is equal to, previously we have H, previously we have what character we have extract, 0, 0, O plus what we have, word H. So now what contain OH. Similar way, what will go, it will go to another loop. Here W is there. So now it will go here, this condition word. So if you see, word is equal to what character we have, W plus we have word. What we have, word value is OH, right? OH. So finally what we have word is equal to W over H. Now what we will do, when we if this condition fails, like if this condition not equals to, like if you find the space, we need to store this this word in some variable, right? So what we will do, easily we will use else loop. In else loop we will use one reverse variable reserve, yes, but simple. This condition failure, we are every word we are extracting, because if you see 3 times space we have, first we are storing this one, second time it will go R, then condition fails, then we are storing here. Simple. Then we will put it this out RED. Go RU. Simple. So I will just debug and code and will show you like how we can like you will get to know the flow, how it is working. Toggle point. So running as debug. Now if you see initially, uh, you will see this is the variables. You see F6. What will come to this one? What CH value contain? Nothing. 6. Now A. I think like it is already started. 1 second. I will stop 1 second. Restart this one. On gas. Pro. Follow. 6. No, right. It's showing like this. Yeah. Edge is there. Like edge is there. Edge is not equal to space, right? F6 we will do. So what we are storing edge. Then what is? It is empty, right? You see F6. Now what contain? Edge. Similar way F6 if you do. Now we will get here H. Sorry, F6. We will get O. Now what O is not equal to space, right? F6 if you will do. Then you will see previously we have stored H and we are O. The combined word is now combined word is OH, right? OH. F6. Now we are extracting W. No, before that you will see like combined word is OH. Like now we will get W. So W plus OH. W plus OH. 6 you do what? 6. Now W plus OH. O. Now if you see this condition will fail because here space is there. So F6. This condition will fail. To check this condition, simple Control Shift I you need to do. False. Condition became false. F6. It will go. Now if you see this reverse, nothing contain is normal. This is our O, our string, and this is space. Nothing is there. So in this way, you can do debugging even if you want to know the flow of the code. So just share to your colleagues, friends, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. To tell one of the famous interview question and one of the toughest tricky strict coding interview is like he will give one input like Java, multiple spaces are there, then bytes are there, then multiple duplicate spaces are there. So what he told me in that interview output is like Java byte is we need to remove unnecessary duplicate spaces. So it is look quite easy, but problem is like it is very tough. So it is tricky coding interview. He told me to use without inbuilt function. So we can't use remove all method to remove the spaces. Just we need to write the logic as per our requirement. So for this one, like this is the string Java byte space is there. So what logic we can write for this one is right. We can take another string. We can take another string. We can take as s2. We will take another string s2. What we will do? We will try to iterate this one. Like we will try to iterate this one till we find the space, right? So till we find the space, we will continue to iterate this one. So for logic, like for this, we will use like this for int I is equal to 0, I less than s1 dot length. I plus like this logic we will use. This logic we will use. For normally we will use this logic. So what we will do here if I will do here if so we are extracting one character. First we will extract J, A, P, then we will extract. So how we will do character? We need to use character is equal to, we will use like some character. S1 is our string. So S1 dot caret I. Caret I we will use. So what it will do? We will extract first J, first equal J, then A, then B, then A. So this thing will by the character. So what we will do? We will check like if this character not equals to space. Not equals to space, then we will add this into another string, like S2 is another string, S2 plus CH. So till this time we can write the logic, but problem is like when space come, what we have to do, how we can identify like whether it is a normal space, it is duplicate space. So what we have to do, we need to reject, we need to do. In else block, what we can do in else, we will do one thing, like second I will use here else block. Else block we will use here. In else block, what we have to do, we need to check. Okay, consider like this one. Okay, consider like this one. We find a space. Okay, that is this condition will fail. What condition we have written? This condition will fail. What about this one, fifth one? So this is space. Okay. What about this second one? For this one, what we will do? We will use one logic. Like what we will do? We will use character ch1, another one. So what v1 got s1 dot char at I. We got char at I here dot I. So what we got? We got, suppose consider fourth position we got. So here fourth one is already by default, it is fourth one is space. Fourth, it is already space, right? Now what we are doing here, we are making plus one we are doing here. So I plus one means fifth. So we will got this fifth one. So we are checking that this fifth one is space or not. Here we use if ch is equal to space. The fifth we are incrementing this one, fourth to fifth. We are checking like fifth one is space. If it is space, what we are doing? Okay, continue to the execution. We know that this one. Continue. Right. Now, next time it will increment. Now it will be here 4 is there. It will become 5. Now it will become 6. For example, it became 6 here. If it is became 6, 6 is B. So this condition, it is not equal to space. So what we have to do then, else we need to write same logic what we have written. S2 is equal to S2 plus CH. Simple logic is there. First, if it is not equal to space, we are adding in a string. If we find the space, then what we are doing, another, like if we are incrementing the value 1, and once again we are checking like whether it is equals to space. If it is equal to space, then continue. If it is not equal to space, then we are adding in else block. That's all. That is like we can write simple logic is there. So just I will show you in practical way how we can achieve this one. Okay, I have taken one string here. String is there, string s1 is equal to Java space bytes space is string 2. Here string word we can take. Normal word is there. So what we are doing here, we are using for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than equal to s1 dot length s1 I plus. First condition, we know first we need to extract the character. Here is equal to s dot char. Sorry, we are using s1 dot char at I. So we can get the one character. We are taking Java JAVA. Now we have to write it. CH not equals to with space. Then simply happily we are adding word is equal to word plus ch. Till here we can get this Java, but when we got the space, what we will do? Else we are checking what for example, if we got space here, Then what about this position? What about this position? This position. So we are checking another time for increment value. Like here 4 is the fifth value I am checking. So character is equal to s1 dot char I, because we got space here at fifth location. We are checking. I'm checking like in sixth location also space is there or not. If a space is there, if ch is equal to space, what I am telling to the compiler, continue. Wait a minute. Continue. So it will continue. Another value also it will check. Another value it will check. It is space only. Another value it will check. It is space only. Another value we check. Then when it's come B, this condition will become fail. So we need to write one more condition else now to store that one. So we are storing that that value, right? We are storing this value, right? Now the for loop is there. What? See one Java application. Java is bytes. So once you debug the code, then you will get to know like how the flow is going on. Simply, first we are checking. If it is not equals to space, simply we are adding. If it is not equals to space, then we are checking next value. After space, we have another value. We are checking whether that value is equal to space. Then we are continue. Okay, no, we no need. Then once again we are checking. Once again we are checking. If we find the character, then we are adding. Simple. So thanks for watching. Just share to your colleagues, relatives, friends to get more string coding interviews. Thanks.